I must do something about this poor baby. Oh, the little thing is dead and I can't just leave him here. And nobody else is taking care of him. I don't even care at this point. I'm just picking him up. Oh, his body is so stiff. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands. I don't know, should I bury him? There's literally nowhere to bury him. I could just throw him away, but that just seems so disrespectful. Just look at him. I can't just throw that thing away. Maybe I could at least like put him in a better place so he's not just on display for everybody. Where do I go? Okay, I'm just gonna set him under this bush and then find him some flowers or something. Oh. Oh. What should I name him? I can't believe I'm naming a dead bird. It's fine, I do stuff like that a lot. Oh, I need to find some little cute plants or flowers or something. Actually, wait. First I'm gonna cover him with some leaves. Just so he's a little bit more hidden. So then nobody sees his rotting body ever again. That's pretty good. And now I'll find him some nice plants. I found some little flowers. I think I'll name him Georgie. Yeah. There. Maybe I should cover him up a little bit better. Yeah. Oh, Georgie. I love you, Georgie. Sleep well. I think I'm gonna cry. I barely even... Oh. He's just so cute. What if he had babies? Oh. Poor little thing.